Hello everyone. I just wanted to give a friendly advice to everyone. And when I say everyone, that includes the grandparents, the parents, the husband wives, the brothers and sisters, the friends, the teachers, the HODs, the principals, and everyone. And the advice is this: when someone is hurt and you are trying to empathize with him or her, in the course of that empathy, please do not tell that person to forgive and forget. This whole statement, to forgive and forget, is a wrong statement, it's a misconception. And unfortunately, this has been passed on to us from generations. Please understand, yes, we should forgive. In fact, I have created many videos on forgiveness. But forgetting takes time. Why it takes time? Because healing takes time. Remember, when a person is hurt, he's hurt from within, he or she. He or she is hurt from within, which means his or her emotions are hurt. And his or her emotions, which are hurt, needs healing. And that is what we call as inner healing, the healing of the emotions. And the healing of the emotions takes time. And there is a process. In fact, if anybody who's watching me, if you are hurt deeply by someone, feel free to get in touch with me. I'll tell you the process, how you can be healed from within, how you can be healed emotionally, and what is this whole inner healing all about. I'll guide you on that. But for now, I just wanted to give this teaching to everyone that when you're empathizing with someone, you can ask him or her to forgive, but please do not say the statement, forgive and forget. In fact, if you say this to that person, if you say this to that person who's hurt, that forgive and forget, he or she may get hurt more. Please understand, when a hurting incident happens, that incident has a memory. I hope you're getting it. When someone is hurt because of some incident, that incident has a memory. And for that memory or that part of the memory, that incident to simply go away, it's not so easy, it takes time. I hope you're getting it. So remember this teaching, it's very important. When you're empathizing with someone, you can tell him or her to forgive that person who's hurt her or hurt him. But don't use this statement to forgive and forget. Because remember, the forgetting part takes time. Because healing takes time. The inner healing takes time. Okay? Chalo, see you. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you.